Alright guys, I'm doing the video on the K1 Creolity motor extruder gear. Uh, this is the original. It was right here, the top where the filament goes in. There's 3 screws, 1, 2, and then the third one, you can barely see it, but it's going to be right here. Those 3 will allow you to release this, and then it'll just pull up and you can bring it out. And then to take this apart, there's only two screws. 2 screws, and you take them all out with the second, I think, biggest Allen. This is the old one with the broken tooth. Only took it out because when I put this next one back, not this one, this is the old one, but when I just want to be able to line it up since this one's in place, and then I'll take that one out after I put the new one in and I have it lined up. So I ended up taking them both off, and I used the same screws. They come with the other screws. The other screws seemed a little harder to get it on, but I'm using the old screws and it's going on just fine. Put this last one on, and I'm gonna put it back together and we're gonna be rolling. It's going on. Make sure roll good. I did take this off. It's a little bitty. I put it back on after I put them back on.